So write get ch and press the F9 button. It is up to date, and you see 101 roll number is printed. Next, let me access the second member. Second member is a name, so that is also inside a name. So that s dot name, it is a name. So change it to name, and it is a group of characters represented with percentile s. 00 errors. Control F9, Ramu is printed. So we access the roll number and name, both two members of the structure we accessed with the structure variable s. But our concept is accessing the structure members with the structure variable is not our concept. We have to create a pointer to structure. Then with that pointer, we have to hold the address of a structure. When pointer is holding the address of a structure, we will access all the members of that particular structure with that pointer. So what is the pointer we have here? P. With this P only we have to access the members. So first member I'm going to access, it is a roll number. So roll number is percentile D. So with this pointer pointing to structure, student structure only, we have to access the first member. That member is a roll number. So first I'm accessing with the dot P dot roll number. So P means the address of the structure. We don't need address of a structure. We need the structure at that address we need to point out. For that, before that, we will write star operator. That star operator now representing the the structure which is stored at that particular P we are talking about. So we must keep that P in between parentheses, because first we need to access the structure variable name. Star P will access structure variable name, that is S. Star P will represent S. Now you read totally S dot roll number, S dot roll number. If you don't write this star, what you are representing? You are representing address. For example, some 1000 dot roll number. So it is meaningless. It is meaningless. So we need to have the address. We need to have the variable at that particular P. So for that we need to point star P. If you point star P, when you compare star operator and the dot operator is having high priority. So first it will try to access 1000 address dot roll number. Then it will talk about the star operator. So first we are giving the priority for dot operator. So dot operator, when it is performed, it will try to access from 1000 dot roll number. It is also meaningless. So first priority should be for that star. So keep that that star operators P in the parenthesis. Now first priority will go to the P and star. Now star P means we are pointing the structure variable S. Now a dot operator will be given with priority S dot roll number. Now it will access the roll number inside the structure. So we will see whether it is printing or what. We got some errors. So what we need to have, right? We need to have the pointer priority first. We have to keep this both star
Yes,
and
sir.
P, right? So this we have to do. Now you will get 00 errors, and we are going to access. Now we are going to access the roll number. So what is the roll number? 101. 101 is accessed. Next, we need to access the second one, printf. Second member is what? Second member is a name. So name of the student is equal to, it is represented with percentile S and comma. How to replace this percentile S? We can access with direct variable name, structure variable name. But topic is we need to access with the pointer variable which is pointing to the structure. So what is the pointer variable pointing to structure? P. With this P we need to access the name of the second member of the structure. So P dot what I can write the name of the member, second member. But what is the syntax? We are try to access the address location. We need not to point the address location. We need to point the structure at address, that a particular address we have to point. So star P we have to write, star P we have to write, star P we have to write. So it will access 00 errors, the Ramu, second member it will access. So first we tried with the dot operator, and we will also see with the member selection operator. So no need to write any star and parenthesis. Directly P pointing to name. If you write like this, directly that pointer variable will give you access to the name. So control F9. So Ramu. And you can also change this star to member selection operator also. So then just a pointer pointing to roll number. So you will get direct access for the roll number like this. F900 errors like so 101. So we can also access the members of a structure with the pointer by using a dot operator, as well as we can also use the member selection operator, that minus symbol and greater than symbol. So first member we will access with the dot. So star and parenthesis, and second member we will use member selection operator. With this we completed today's topic, and this is also sometimes 50% chances are there for a long answer, and for a short answer also it will come. So 50-50 chances. If he asks you for a long answer, it will be a second bit or first bit. That means a question contains two bits, A bit and B bit. So A bit, he will ask you one question, and in the B bit, he will ask you what is a pointer to structure. And sometimes he will ask you direct question in the long answers. So what is the topic? Pointer to structure. Like how we are pointing to the array, same way we can also create one pointer to structure. And with that pointer, we can access the members of a structure. So we have to follow 4 steps. One is define the structure variable, then create the pointer variable to the structure, then assign the address of a structure variable to the pointer. When pointer is holding the address of the structure variable, access all the members of that particular structure with dot operator or member selection operator. So this topic is over. We will come with the new topic tomorrow, right?